Hey, to set alarm on your Nokia 105 from 2023, first click on this button. Now scroll down and go into the alarm. Click select. From here tap to set alarms. So click on the select and we've got actually 3 or even more. We've got actually 5 presets. So let's start with the first one. Click on the select and first you can set the alarm time. So you can change hours and also minutes. Click OK to set the time. And now we can set between AM and PM if you are using the 12-hour format. And now it is actually turned on. And that's basically it. You can also click to repeat alarm, turn it off, and when you click on adjust, you can change the alarm time. And from here you can actually change the alarm tone. So we got the standard and the ringtone tone. Click OK to confirm. And from here you've got also the time settings, but that's the time settings of your phone. It's not related with the alarms. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.